Hi guys, it's me Lolita of Health Over Length. Thank you for clicking on my video. This video is going to be my Black Friday unboxing, and I'm trying to make this video long, so let's get right into it. All right guys, so as you can see, I have about seven boxes up here. And I just want to go ahead and do an unboxing with you guys to let you guys see what I picked up for Black Friday. And not that much. 2019 Black Friday, y'all, I went ham. And I won't do that again. First of all, now that I'm not using products with the shea butter and all that stuff in it, I'm very limited as to what I can even purchase anyway, and all of that stuff that I bought in 2019, I either didn't get around to trying it, or when I tried it, my hair didn't like it. And so it was literally at least $500 for products that I either had to throw away or give away. So anyway, let's go. We're gonna start with this one. This one is from Oyen. This is the Honey Wash Hydrating Detangling Shampoo. I went ahead and purchased a liter. I love this shampoo. My hair loves this shampoo. If you are following the Black Girl Curls methods, techniques, this does fit the parameters. It does not have those heavy oils or butters within the first 5 or 6 ingredients. So this definitely meets it. And I love this shampoo, so I went ahead and got it in a liter size. I'm not sure if how much I paid for it is going to be on here. It's not, but I got it Black Friday, so it was at least half off. Well, at least 40, let's say 30 to half off, because I'm not exactly sure. Okay, then we're going to grab this box. This box is from, I think, Hydrothermal Naturals. Let's go ahead and open it. And I also should have got my big scissors. I'm using some old shears that I don't use on my hair anymore, and it's kind of quite difficult to open these darn boxes. So this box is, this is from Hydrothermal Naturals. I went ahead and picked up 3 more bottles of the hair vitamins that I mentioned in a video a little while back, that just based off the ingredients, I was like, yeah, I want these. And this is probably going to be my staple hair, skin, and nail vitamin because of the MSM. Y'all, I cannot see this stuff. It has MSM, silica. I think it has some collagen in it as well. But yes, I went ahead and picked up 3 more bottles of this. Let's see if the price is listed on this invoice. And it is not. But I got 3 bottles of vitamins. Let's go ahead and grab this box. This box may be Oyen as well. Yeah, it is. I forgot to order my honey wash when I placed my first order. So this is my first order that I placed. And I was like, oh my God, I forgot my honey wash. So I actually went back, and of course I had to pay shipping again that I did not like, but I don't think the shipping was really all that high. So this was my first one. So this is the Honey Hemp Detangling Conditioner. I purchased it in a liter size as well. This also meets the requirements. This is actually inside of the Wash Your Damn Hair ebook. This is a recommended product. So I got that in a liter size. And then I also bought What the Hemp Deep Moisture Mask. I've never tried this. This does meet the requirements. So this I have never tried. And oh, it's so thick. Look. Oh, it is so thick and it smells so good. So I got What the Hemp Deep Moisture Mask. That was it from Oyen's. Let's grab this box. Oh, this is from Mish Beauty. So this is, well, I was about to say this is the only product that I purchased that I haven't tried, but that's a lie because as I just said I've never tried that deep conditioner, right? Which I haven't. So what I purchased from Mish, right before Black Friday, I saw at least 3 videos on her seasonal deep conditioners, because it's not going to be anything that she carry all year long. And so after looking at the videos, I also then went on the website and I checked the ingredients, and this is, I don't want to say this is the only one that met the requirements, but this meets the Black Girl Curls requirements, as well as it meet my requirements. You guys know I love Ayurvedic herbs, stuff like Brahmi, Amla, Shikakai, Barangi powder. So I purchased this. This is the Sweet Pumpkin Spice Hydrating Limited Edition Deep Conditioner. So I got this, and I think these were like $6.99, $6.95, something like that, guys. So it was at a really good price. Smells just like pumpkin spice, and this is thick as well. So I won't need deep conditioners even 2022 Black Friday, because not only did I get one of those, I got 2, 3, and I got 4 of these. Now these came in 4 different types of deep conditioners that was seasonal, but this is the only one that I said it didn't have the heavy oils and butters, but then it also had the Ayurvedic herbs in it, and that's what made me get it. And yeah, I guess I'm stepping out on the limb because I bought 4 of them, never having tried them before. So I am hoping that my hair likes them. And let's see, let's go to this one. I can't see who this is by, it's all faded. So hey, let's just cut into the bag. You guys comment down below and let me know what you guys purchased for Black Friday. Let me know that you go ham, or were you selective in your purchases. I believe I was selective, guys. I know it's like, oh well, Lolita, you got 4 of those, but I didn't buy. I'm telling y'all, like 2 years ago, I bought so much stuff. Matter of fact, I think I made a video on it. It's in my lineup somewhere. Y'all, that was ridiculous. Also, this is from Henasooq. Henasooq. This is where I purchased my herbs from, and I make like a pre-poo mask. Yes, I still pre-poo. It's not a requirement under Black Girl Curls. Just period. As natural hair, it's not required that you pre-poo. However, I like to pre-poo. I like to pre-poo with my herb mask. Because these are very beneficial for the health of your hair as well as for growth of your hair. So I purchased my beloved fenugreek powder, and I purchased 3 of these. They are all fenugreek, so I have those. And then I purchased amla powder. You guys know amla is really good for your scalp. It's good for conditioning purposes. It's also good for hair growth. So I purchased 3 of these as well. Now I don't pre-poo. I mostly pre-poo with every wash. However, sometimes I do not. If I'm feeling lazy, I may skip. It just be a week if I skip. And I alternate between the African Pride aloe and coconut water pre-poo, because let me say, when I say I love it, I really mean my hair loves it, because it's all about when I put it in my hair, how my hair looks, how my hair feel, how my hair react to the product. If y'all hear some background noise, I got the kitten over here being bad. It's all get out. Just bothering stuff. And then the last thing that I purchased from Henasooq is the Barangi powder. And I got 3 of these as well. So as you guys can see, this will be my little pre-poo of choice. So I will mix all of these together, and I will either use black tea as my liquid or aloe vera juice as my liquid. Just depends on how I feel. And I have not been putting any oils, anything in it. It's strictly my herbs and whichever liquid of choice that I choose. I have all of these conditioners, so what I may start doing is putting a couple of scoops of conditioner over in it. And I typically pre-poo for like an hour. I may start doing it overnight. It just depends on how I feel. I do kind of like what I feel like doing. So, but those are the herbs that I purchased from Healthoverlength. We're almost done. And then we have this little box right here. This is from Obia Naturals, as you guys can see what I'm using, y'all. So these little shears don't, y'all know they be having some heavy duty tape on these boxes. I purchased the Curl Enhancing Custard. This is something else. This was listed in the ebook. I think it's in the original. I don't think it made it to the updated. The honey hemp conditioner is in the updated one, but this is listed in the original one. And like I said in my update video, if it's good enough to be, you know, in the first one, it's still good enough to use, guys. It's just they took out stuff because, like they said, that they got tired of defending what they had in the ebook. But this is one, and my hair loves this. I actually discovered this along with Curly Magic as my wash and go back in 2017. It gave me a beautiful wash and go, and that's one thing I love about started my Instagram, which is why I started my Instagram, was to document my natural hair journey. And I was just looking back through my own Instagram posts, and I was like, oh, that wash and go look good. And so when I was reading what I used Curl Enhancing Custard along with Curly Magic, and that wash and go was beautiful, and it still gives me beautiful results. So that is what I purchased from Obia. I got 3 of these, and all Curl Enhancing Custard. I didn't buy anything new, anything additional, just 3 jars of Curl Enhancing Custard. And then the last box, the big daddy over here. This is from Uncle Funky's daughter. And if I had $1 million, I would give you guys $1 million to guess what's in this box. I mean, you know, do you really have to think hard? What I have in here is 3, oh my goodness. Y'all, you know what though? I appreciate them packing this stuff like this, because I also ordered some I Create Whole from Ulta. Ulta had a sale. It wasn't Black Friday. I think it was like a day or 2 after Black Friday. They had Innocence products for 40% off. So I went ahead and purchased 2 additional bottles, because I had already purchased 2 bottles of I Create Whole. But since they had the 40% off, I went ahead and I ordered 2 additional bottles. But like I said, it's not a part of my Black Friday unboxing, because I purchased it after Black Friday. However, but look at how it showed up. Look at it. I was like, what in the hell? So they are very lucky that I have other bottles. So when these bottles get empty, the only thing I'll do is just take this off and put it over here. But yeah, this one showed all the way, you know, broken off, and this one is so cracked up, it's ridiculous. So I do appreciate these vendors wrapping this stuff extremely well. I really do. So I'm not gonna complain. It's just messing with me being able to just move on through this unboxing. But I have Curly Magic, and as you guys see, I went ahead and bought the 32 ounce. And then I also have Curly Magic. I have another 32 ounce bottle. And then I also have Curly Magic. Y'all see, I wasn't playing. I really do not plan on buying any more products in 2022. This should last me. So I have 3 of these babies. 3 of them. 3 of the big boys. 32 ounce. And now the top broke. Y'all see that? Now the top broke. So that is it for my Black Friday pickup. It sure is. So not that much, but they are pretty much, I pretty much purchased staple products. And since they are staple products, I did go ahead and buy an abundance of them. And then I have 2 products that are new, which is the sweet pumpkin spice deep conditioner and the hemp. I did go ham on this one because, like I said, I think they were like $6.99, $6.95. Like, how can you not just, you know, go ham? So that's it for my Black Friday, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, down below, let me know what you guys picked up for Black Friday. Let me know if you guys picked any of the new Mish deep conditioners out, and let me know if you guys have tried them, because I have not as we speak. I have to do my hair. Today is Monday, and I'll probably be doing my hair tomorrow, which is Tuesday, duh. And since I have my herbs, I will probably go ahead and do a pre-poo with it. I won't make a video about it quite yet, but I will probably post something on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, which is Healthoverlength, please go ahead and do so. I will probably post what I decide to mix up. Of course, it's going to be a mixture of the herbs, but I will choose between one of these deep conditioners to mix with it. This I already have a lot of the herbs, so more than likely I won't use this. I'll use with the hemp as my deep conditioner that I want to mix it with. And then once I do my updated wash and go video, that is going to be coming. That might be my next video, the updated wash and go. I will go ahead and show you guys what I do to my hair from pre-poo, shampoo, styling. So from start to finish, I will let you guys see that. And yeah, so thanks guys for watching. I love you so much. Please hit the like button, comment down below, let me know about your Black Friday. Did you skip it? Because I know last year I skipped it. I didn't purchase anything because I still had so much stuff from 2019. So let me know if you purchased anything. Let me know what you purchased. Did you purchase staples? Did you purchase new stuff? Did you purchase anything that I have? And stay tuned to the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe before you check out. Thanks, guys. Bye.